Dorman Products Top Parts Overview Video, a monthly announcement on new formerly dealer-only parts. This month's featured OE fix is our remanufactured ABS control module, now available for late-model Ford applications, including Super Duty, Club Wagon, and Econoline passenger vans from 2007 to 2002. Original units typically require replacement due to a failed electronic pump relay on the circuit board, which eventually causes the entire module to fail. Dorman's OE fix addresses this common failure by updating the ABS control module's main pump transistors for added durability and as a preventative step in avoiding future relay burnout. Additionally, Dorman's direct replacement offers plug-and-play convenience for easy installation. Original HVAC heater hose assemblies typically fail due to corrosion and cracking of plastic Y connectors, eventually leading to coolant leaks and loss of pressure. Dorman has upgraded the Y connector material from plastic to aluminum for a more durable resistance to corrosion and coolant leaks, providing added strength and a longer service life. Currently, Dorman offers over 60 direct replacement HVAC heater hose assembly SKUs, including exclusive coverage for Dodge Journey SUVs from 2010 to 2009. Additionally, our HVAC heater hose assemblies include clamps and/or fittings where applicable for a complete installation. Reduce repair costs with Dorman's exclusive idler pulley adjustment bolt kit, now available for a wide range of over 3 million late-model Lexus and Toyota applications from 2008 to 1993. This kit includes the replacement bolts required to adjust the vehicle's idler pulleys appropriately. Dorman's idler pulley bolts are constructed of stainless steel and power-coated for added corrosion resistance. Dorman now offers a new and exclusive sun visor for Honda Civic applications from 2008 to 2006. This is an ideal replacement part for worn or sagging sun visors that block the driver's ability to see the road clearly. Like the original, our direct fit sun visors feature a flip-up mirror. For older applications, Dorman's replacement sun visors help to restore the overall interior look, matching the original in fit, form, and function. Plus, Dorman sun visors are easy to install and require no special tools during installation. Also new this month is an exclusive hood latch assembly, now available for some of today's most popular GM make and models, including Cadillac Escalade, Chevrolet Impala, and GMC Silverado from 2016 to 2004. To provide a convenient solution for these high-demand replacement parts, Dorman has consolidated two different OE part numbers into just one Dorman SKU. Additionally, Dorman's hood latch assembly is constructed of durable steel material and features a protective coating for added corrosion resistance. Also available in this month's announcement are Chrysler steel wheels, Mercedes-Benz coolant reservoirs, over 30 parking aid sensors, 20 new control arms, and 10 engine cooling fan modules.